Hi, this is Josh from MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Very excited today to show you my favorite boat on the lot. This is the Sea Ray SLX 400. This is their flagship boat. This is a brand new 2023 model. As we walk through it, I'm going to show you a lot of features and benefits on this boat. Sea Ray did a real wonderful job designing and lots of innovation here. Excited to show you. Let's start at the rear because hard to miss these two large 600 Mercury V12 Verado motors. If you're not familiar, I'd recommend come seeing them in person. They're powerful, they're efficient, they're quiet. It's just a great motor by Mercury, always innovating. Great power option for this boat. I think if I was going to get the boat, this is what I would go with as it matters. You'll notice you have a big, large sun pad back here, and you have this bolster that moves forward or back. Why does it move forward or back? Because over here, you have the very high gunnel that does fold down and give you beach mode. So this whole section right here will actuate out over the water and create what they call a little beach mode. So you can be sitting here on the big sun pad, you have this folded down, you have the friends, the family, the kids, whatever, out here swimming. You're sitting here having a great time. You got your radio controls here, you got speakers all around, you got cup holders all around. Just a great place to hang out under anchor. So if you're out on the bay or the ocean, wherever you do your boating, this is a great boat for it. It's a luxury day boat, and there's a good reason for that. We're going to move forward. Notice you have a big, large L-shaped seating, so bring lots of friends with you when you want to go, or if you have a big family, this boat's perfect for you. You also have a very large table right here. This is great for outside dining. Very comfortable, sat around here, nice family-style dinner. And if you want to grill, this boat has you as well, because they have not one, but two Kenyon electric grills. Corian countertop covering them. You have a sink over here. You have a plug-in for your blender if you want to make mixed drinks, or if you have other items that you want to plug in. You have your wastebasket here. You got two fridges here, so a great cook station, great place to whip up that afternoon dinner or that evening sunset lunch or whatever you guys want to do on the water. It's a great boat for that. You also have extendable sunshade, so this will extend over the rear of the boat. So the large sun pad we spoke about before, this will give you some coverage. So if it's that really hot day, you want to get out of the sun, but you still want to be on the water, extend the sunshade, it's got you covered. Moving forward, you do have another sunroof here. So again, if it's a hot day and you want to be covered, leave this thing closed. If you want to get more sun, because you're out on the water, open this up, cool little sunroof design. Even moving forward, you have a glass sunroof here, so you got natural light here, you got natural light here, plenty of natural light coming through the hard top. What more could you want in a boat like this? Over here, the passenger side, this seat will move. So if you wanted to entertain and you're all hanging out back here, the seat spins, makes you, allows you to join the party, if you will. Or if you're underway and you want to face forward, it spins all the way that way as well. Over here you have a captain and a passenger's chair, and you have a very nice appointed home. Very comfortable, everything is very well done. You got wood down here to put your feet on, sea deck flooring throughout, very comfortable to the feet. Two large multi-function display screens by Simrad. You have your toggle switch here with your most popular items, your bilge, your windlass, your anchor lights, your horn. This boat does have onboard VHF radio. It does have the joystick. The joystick is a wonderful option on this boat if you're a new boater and you're not used to driving a boat that's 40 foot long. The joystick makes that easy. With every purchase from MarineMax, you're going to get captain instructions, so our captain's going to spend some time with you. They're going to show you how to operate this boat, and you will spend some time on that joystick. So if you want to pull up to that busy restaurant at night and there's a ton of people on the dock and you get a little nervous because there's so many people out there, that joystick makes you feel like a pro. Slide it right in, tie up like you've been driving a boat your entire life. This boat does also have the Seakeeper gyro on it, so another great feature that this boat has, if you're out on the water and it's a little rough and a little turny, you turn on that Seakeeper, it's going to give you a nice, calm, comfortable feeling on the boat. Great for keeping everybody enjoying themselves that day. We're going to continue to move forward. You will notice very high gunnels on this boat, so you feel safe. You're in the boat, you're not standing up high. If you have little kids running around and stuff, you have the high windows, you have the high gunnels. Very safe boat. Continue to move forward. You do have this great seating in the bow. You have armrests throughout. You have your stereo controls over here, hidden in the gunnel. Very cool little spot. You got cup holders on both sides. Up here you do have your windlass anchor controls, and you have a freshwater washdown right here. So again, great, easy, well-placed things to make this just a simple boat to operate and own. We're going to take a moment, we're going to step in the cabin and show you some other things this boat has to offer. Please join me. So this is the cabin of the 400 SLX. So you can see there's a lot of room down here for being a hybrid boat with a bow seating and a cabin. There's plenty of room. I'm sitting in this big U-shaped seating. This is a high-low table. This will lower, and if you want to put filler cushions in here, you can make this a bed as well. At your fingertips, you have onboard AC, so if it's a warm day and you want to turn on the AC and get out of the sun, what better place to be than down here? You got stereo controls, you have USB charging ports for your devices, and you also have AC outlets right here. Continuing towards the rear, you have another fridge and a microwave. So a great boat if you want to overnight and you want to bring food and microwave something up, that does it very well. Over here you have a nice bathroom. This is a very large bathroom. Sea Ray did a great job with the decorations. It feels very luxurious in there. Everything that you would need in a boat this size to overnight, take on trips. And then if you need additional room for guests or kids, you have more sleeping quarters underneath the cockpit. There's a TV under there. Just a great place to get out of the water. So this is the cockpit on the 400 SLX. So thank you for spending your time with me on this boat today. If you have any questions about this 400 SLX or any other boat we have in inventory here in Huntington, give us a call at 631-424-2710. Again, that's 631-424-2710. My name is Josh, or any of our sales consultants will be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you for stopping by and look forward to seeing you on the water.